Struggling to stay focused, organized, or productive while studying? Distractions are everywhere, motivation disappears, and your to-do list just keeps growing. But what if I told you that your phone, the same one distracting you, can actually become your ultimate study weapon? Today, we're diving into 5 powerful mobile apps that can 10x your study productivity and even make studying fun. First up is Notion. This isn't just a note-taking app, it's a life organizer. Imagine your calendar, tasks, notes, and schoolwork all living in one clean, minimal dashboard. You can build your own system, class notes organized by subjects, weekly planners, habit trackers, even full-on revision templates. And guess what? Harvard and Stanford students are obsessed with it. Now, let's talk focus, and that's where Forest comes in. The idea is simple. You plant a digital tree when you start studying. If you touch your phone before the timer ends, your tree dies. But if you stay focused, you grow a whole forest. The app turns discipline into a game and even plants real trees when you hit milestones. That's right, you focus, and somewhere in the world, an actual tree grows. Want to remember more with less effort? Then meet Anki, the king of flashcards. Anki uses a powerful technique called spaced repetition, which basically means review information right before you're about to forget it. It's proven to boost long-term memory. Perfect for science formulas language vocab exam. Prep Anki isn't pretty, but it's powerful, and many med school students swear by it. Next up, Grammarly, your personal writing coach. Whether you're drafting essays, emails to professors, or even captions, Grammarly checks grammar, tone, readability, word choice. It even tells you if your writing sounds confident or weak. And the best part? It works everywhere, in your browser, on Google Docs, even on your phone. You've got your tools. Now let's structure your time. Google Calendar isn't just for meetings. It's your secret weapon for time blocking. Create dedicated focus blocks, add exam countdowns, schedule breaks. It's how top students plan like CEOs. The trick? Color code your study blocks. Blue for deep focus, green for class time, yellow for breaks, red for deadlines. Once it's on the calendar, it's real. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters, better. These 5 apps won't study for you, but they'll make it a whole lot easier. So, which app are you downloading first? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more brain-boosting content every week.